Something is making you feel insignificant. It's not your job. It's not your age. It's not how you look. It's something you do every single day, and it's stealing the authority you deserve. You apologize for existing. You shrink in rooms you should own. You say sorry before you even finish a sentence. You let people interrupt you, and you just let it slide. And then you wonder, why doesn't anyone take me seriously? The answer is brutal. They're not disrespecting you. You taught them how to. Stay until the end. This will change how people treat you, starting today. Before we continue, comment one word below, yes, if you've ever apologized for something that wasn't your fault. I want to see how many of us are in this together. You confuse kindness with weakness. Here's the lie you were taught. Be nice and people will respect you. Wrong. Nice and weak are not the same thing, but you've been treating them like they are. You say yes when you mean no. You agree just to avoid conflict. You let people walk over your time, your energy, your boundaries, and you call it being a good person. But here's what's actually happening. Every time you shrink, you teach people you're optional. You're not respected because you're too nice. You're not respected because you stopped being honest. Your body language is begging for approval. Watch yourself in a mirror. Are your shoulders forward, curled in? Do you avoid eye contact when someone disagrees with you? Do you laugh nervously when you're uncomfortable? Your body talks before your mouth does. And right now, your body is saying, please don't be upset with me. Please like me. Please don't leave. People can smell that energy in seconds. And the moment they sense it, they stop respecting your space. Because you've already told them, without words, you can take more than I'm offering. You explain yourself too much. Watch how confident people talk. They say, no, that's it. No explanation, no apology, no justification. But you say, no, sorry. It's just that I'm really busy this week, and I already have plans, and I feel bad, but stop. Every extra word is a crack in your authority. You're not being polite. You're begging for permission to have a boundary. The more you explain, the more you signal, I'm not sure I'm allowed to say no. And people respond to that uncertainty exactly how you'd expect. They push harder. The turning point, now hear this clearly, this is not your fault. You weren't born this way. Somewhere, a parent, a teacher, an ex, a boss, taught you that being smaller kept you safe. That lesson was wrong, and it's costing you respect every single day. But there is a way out. How to rebuild respect, starting today. Stop over-explaining. When you say no, stop at no. I can't make it. Full stop. No guilt trip required. Own your space. Sit up. Take up room. Hold eye contact 2 seconds longer than feels comfortable. Confidence is a physical decision before it's a mental one. Let silence work for you. When someone disrespects you, don't rush to fill the silence. Let it sit. Uncomfortable silence is a tool. People respect what they can't predict. Respect yourself. First, you cannot demand from others what you don't give yourself. If you talk to yourself with contempt, people will sense permission to do the same. Change the voice in your head first. Everything else follows. People don't respect a script. They respect a presence. Every person you admire, the ones who walk into a room and own it, they didn't get there by being agreeable. They got there by being undeniable. You can be undeniable too. It starts with one decision. Stop shrinking. Respect isn't given. It's built, one boundary at a time. Comment below. Which one of these 4 mistakes do you do the most? I read every comment. And if this hit you, subscribe.